What pages should you build backlinks to? This is another question I get asked quite often, and when you change your perspective and look at things from a different angle, the answer is very straightforward. A backlink can help improve the visibility of a web page in Google. As a result, you're going to want to build backlinks to all the pages on your website that you would like more visibility for. Simply put, build backlinks to the pages you want to rank. For example, that could be your home page, it could be your blog posts, or it could be your product pages. Build links to the pages that you want to rank. But wait there, before you go out and start building links to your product pages, for example, do bear in mind that every piece of content you publish on your website should have some value. Otherwise, what's the point of publishing it, right? So again, if you change your perspective, the majority of pages on your site will have some value to your audience. Obviously minus the standard about page and your contact page for obvious reasons. However, if your page has value, you should be building backlinks to it. Take one of your blog posts, for example. There's tons of information and value in them, so it's only right you build backlinks to them so you can showcase all of that online. In summary, you should be building backlinks to all of the pages that you want to rank on Google, including the ones that have low buyer intent, aka your blog posts. Don't just build links to your pages that have high buyer intent behind them, as after a while, your website is going to have 100 links, and all 100 links are going to be pointing to pages that have high buyer intent, aka your product pages, which is extremely unnatural. As SEOs, we want to blend in and not actively look like we're doing SEO, as it's no surprise that Google isn't a fan of SEOs, as people who know SEO typically don't spend money on running any Google ads, and that is where Google make the bulk of their money. So in closing, build links to pages that have value on your website and ones that you want to rank.